guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. And in this video I'm going to show you guys how I do my no makeup Indian version. And if you want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching this video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below what you feel about this makeup look, and let's go. So I'm going to start my makeup today by using my Set and Prep spray, which I made on my own. I'll link it down in this video somewhere. You can click it and watch the video about how to make this spray right here. So starting off my makeup with this spray. This will help my skin be more moisturized throughout the day and not get very cakey and crack the foundation apart. So for foundation, I'm using Lakme Perfecting Foundation. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Mascara Concealer in shade number 6 Glow with a concealer brush. And I'm going to apply this concealer to the parts I want to highlight, like my under eye area, and once I'm done doing that, I'm going to set everything with a setting powder. So next up, I'm going to bronze and blush. So for that, I'm using this Sivanna colors palette. I'm going to dip my brush into this brown shade, into this contour shade, and this peach blush shade together, and I'm going to use these two together on my face for contouring. Okay, next up I'm going to use a little bit of blush. For that I'm using a clean fluffy brush, and I'm going to take this blush and now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. For my eyeshadow, I'm using this palette right here, and I'm going to dip my brush in this taupe color right here, light taupe color, and I'm going to apply this as my transition all over my eyelids. Then I'm going to take this little dark medium brown kind of color, and I'm going to apply this also on my crease. And then I'm going to take a darker brown shade, tap off the excess, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids. And I'm going to take a smaller fluffy brush, and I'm going to dip that brush into that brown shade, dark brown shade, and tapping off the excess. I'm going to brush it on my lower lash line, kind of pulling the entire eye look together. And now I'm going to use a Kajal pencil. I'm using Magneteyes from Faces, and I'm going to tightline my eyes. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to do my brows. For my brows, I'm using this angle brush, and I'm going to dip it in this brown gray shade. And I'm going to highlight my face very subtle, and for that I'm using the Sivanna colors palette and this very champagne-y white kind of highlight. And I'm going to brush it with very light hands because I do not want very glam highlight, I want a very subtle highlight. And I'm using mascara shade number 08 because I want a very natural look, so I won't go overboard with the lipstick. And now I'm going to apply a bindi. For bindi, I'm using these sticker bindis. And then I'm going to set my makeup using this spray. And to finish everything off, I'm going to use my mascara and curl up my lashes. I'm using this after setting spray because not most mascaras are waterproof. And that was it, guys. That was it for my no makeup Indian version. If you think this is good, if you think this makeup look is good and was helpful for you, let me know in the comments down below. And if you have any ideas for me to recreate or do or whatever, comment down below, let me know. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like this. If you like the content, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.